Do you still struggle with no records at the scene and conflicting accounts when trying to determine responsibility? When disputes arise, are you left piecing together the truth from blurry surveillance footage? At repair sites, are you still stuck waiting because the expert isn't there, relying on guesswork to fix the problem? When something breaks down, does work just have to stop until help arrives from another region? And in high-altitude operations, are you still facing unclear positioning and slow response time? When an emergency hits, can you only hope your teammate hear your feigned call for help? Hytera's body-worn camera offers a professional solution to these challenges. It captures critical details clearly, day or night. Its IP68 rating, waterproof, and dustproof design stands up to the toughest environments. The belt clip and magnet mount adapts to all kinds of work scenarios. Just slide to start recording. The sound signal and light alerts ensure it's turned on. All footage is encrypted, tamper-proof, and traceable. And it works seamlessly with the auto-docking station for efficient data management. It also comes with real-time GPS and voice intercom, enabling fast dispatch and smoother teamwork.